In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up customer accounts in Squarespace. It's a straightforward process, but taking the time to set it up properly can greatly enhance your online store's functionality and user experience. By enabling customer accounts, you're not just creating a convenient shopping experience, but also fostering a sense of trust and engagement with your audience. So let's dive right into it. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Squarespace homepage. Ensure that you're logged in and can access your dashboard, which is where all the magic happens. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. It can seem a bit overwhelming if you're new, but with a little exploration, you'll be moving around with ease. Now, our next step will be to click on Settings. You'll find this option on the sidebar, usually towards the lower part of the menu. Clicking Settings will open up a menu with a plethora of options related to your site's configuration. Here you can tweak various aspects of your site from design elements to business settings, but today, our focus is on customer accounts, so let's continue. From the Settings menu, you'll want to look for and click on the Selling option. This section is dedicated to managing everything related to your online sales, including products, payments, and customer interactions. Clicking Selling will bring up another set of options relevant to e-commerce. It's crucial to understand these sections as they'll help manage how you sell your products and interact with customers. Within the Selling section, you'll see an option labeled Customer Accounts. Click on it. The Customer Accounts feature is an invaluable tool as it allows your customers to create their own accounts on your site. This means they can log in, view order history, save their preferences, and much more, all of which lead to a better shopping experience. Now, once you're in the Customer Accounts section, you'll notice a switch to toggle customer accounts on or off. If the switch is currently off, simply click it to turn it on. This is the crucial step that allows your site to begin supporting customer accounts. Enabling this feature is as simple as flipping a switch, yet the benefits it brings in terms of customer engagement are profound. Once you've enabled customer accounts, make sure to click Twadao. This button is essential as it finalizes the changes you've made. It's always a good practice to review your settings to ensure everything is set up correctly before saving. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've enabled customer accounts on your Squarespace website. With customer accounts active, you're on your way to offering a more personalized shopping experience that can lead to increased sales and customer loyalty. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to helping you with more Squarespace tips in future videos.